Well, it's a beautiful sunny day today, so my solar will be charging. I'll give you a good tip though. If you can park up where there's something between you and the traffic, you're not going to get buffeted by cars all night. If you can do that, you'll be alright. Anyway, we've got a parcel, so let's go and open it. So, I've been to the post office and we've got a parcel. So, and I like receiving parcels, so let's get it open and see what we've got. A new solar charge controller. You'll see why I'm going to replace it in a second. So, that's what I've got at the minute. So when it's charging, I don't know if I can turn this light off. There. That yellow starts flashing. And the battery just says that it's green. So really I'm not getting a lot of information there. And that's the reason why I've bought the charge controller I have. So it's just more information and it just tells you a lot more of what's going on. Hopefully, that's the plan anyway. So I'll be replacing that with this new one and we'll see how we get on. Well, in a minute. There we go. So that's what I'm going to put up instead of what I've got. They look pretty straight. I'm not an electrician by any stretch of the imagination, but we'll just see how we get on. I'm hoping it's just a straightforward job. Screw it to the wall, take the wires out of that one and put them into this one. And the added bonus is I can charge my phone from there instead of putting it into the socket there. So we'll see how we get on. Anyway, I'll do that, I'll change it and I'll let you know how I've got on, whether it was a simple job or I think it's an easy job. I'm hoping it is, that's the idea anyway. Get a bad cough, I should give up smoking really. I'll go and put the rubbish in the bin. So that's today's, what I'm going to do today. I'm going to change that solar controller. I'm going to keep the old one just in case I have any problems, so I've still got a spare if anything ever goes wrong with that. I know this one works and it does the job, but I'm just not getting a lot of information from it, and that's the reason why I bought that one. And I got this one, I just looked on Amazon and I think it was $12.99, believe it or not. They're all different prices, all different ones, and I thought, well, it just came up one that's got USB on the side, and I thought, well, that's ideal because I can plug in, charge my phone, charge my iPad or whatever. So I'll let you know how we get on anyway, and I'll go and enjoy my coffee in the sun. Before I go, I wanted to show you my cooker setup. Or my oven, cooker. So I've got an electric ring and 3 gas ones. I've got to have power on to power it up. There you go. Now I made the mistake when I first got this van of trying to light the oven, or the grill, one or the other, to test it out, and I hadn't lifted this glass lid. And if you don't lift the lid, the gas doesn't work. So a good little tip, you have to lift that lid if you're using the grill, cooker, or obviously the top. And then let everything cool down before you shut it again. And don't forget when you drive off that it's still open if you've opened it. Otherwise it might slam down with a bang and you'll have no glass left. Anyway, another little tip there for you. One question I've got, if anybody knows, when I bought this van I was told that that's a hot plate when I'm on a site hooked up. I'm wondering if that would boil a kettle. I should have tried it when I was there really, I never thought, but anyway, does that boil a kettle? Or is it just what they've said, a hot plate, just keep things warm? Just let me know if you can. Anyway, see you soon.